Now that we are more familiar with the basic usage of the search box component, we will explore the three fundamental components you can use to find the item you want: facets, tabs, and sort. Facets are filters that the creator of the interface have set for you to refine your research. All facet components have two main parts. The top of the facet component gives us information about what type of refinement will apply. The rest of the facet component is a list of possible value that you can apply. For example, if we look at the type facet, it's easy to deduce that it would allow us to refine our research to only display items that are of a specific type. If I select messages, for example, we can see that the result list component now contains less items, all of which appear to be of the message type. We can see that the result list component now contains much less items, all of which appears to be of the message type. Also, notice that after selecting the message type, all other facets automatically adjusted themselves to match the new reality of only items of the message type. If I select more than one type inside the type value, like this, we can see that the other facet value are updating accordingly. This is because with the facet selection, we are asking for all the items that have a type of message or of thread. In other words, it's one or the other. So this is the default behavior of a facet. Now, the creator of an interface might change that behavior to use an and instead. So be aware of it. In short, facets are powerful filters that gives you control over the research to find items that matches specific criteria that are important to you. Tabs are configured by the creator of the interface. When you select a tab, like this, we can see that the number of items as well as the look and feel of the page changes. Indeed, in this case, there's no longer any facets. And that's the result of a design choice by the interface creator. Here we can see that this tab only contains YouTube video. Well, this is because the creator of the page configured this tab to only display items of a type of YouTube. This is exactly the same principle than the one used by Facet, except then when tab, you don't have control over these filters. The big idea behind tabs is for the interface creator to help us, the user, finding what we are looking for more rapidly by narrowing down the items we can see on a given tab. Another thing that an interface creator can do on a tab is to apply what is known as a boost. So if I select popular on YouTube, we'll have an example of that. Indeed, the creator could design an interface to rank higher items that matches a specific set of criteria. On this interface, all the videos with more than 10 million views will receive a significant boost. Of course, these boosts only apply if the items that match the criteria would be displayed following a query. So right now we can see we have these videos who are ranked really high because they have more than 10 million views. That being said, if I search for cats and press enter, none of these results would receive a boost because none of them have more than 10 million views. In short, whenever you see a tab at the top of an interface, it's because its creator deems these to be a meaningful way to divide the content. So try them out. The last fundamental component is the sort. As we know, by default, all items are ranked from the most to the least relevant. It is possible, however, for an interface creator to provide us with other ranking options that override this default behavior. Here, for example, we can rearrange the item by date instead of relevance, like this. In this case, the items are ranked by their last modified date, right here. Depending on the design of the interface creator, the date ranking could mean something else, like the time at which the item was created as opposed to when it was modified. It is also possible for an interface creator to create sorting on any criteria they deem to be meaningful. Here, for example, we can see that the page creator has let us with an option to override the ranking by sorting by numbers of views. So if I click on it, now all the items are ranked according to this criteria, the number of views that we can see right there. One thing to note, when you select a sort other than relevance, that sort is overriding the ranking process done by the Coveo platform. So sort are a great way to help you refine your research to what is the most meaningful to you. Is it relevance, date, or other criteria that are put at your disposal by the interface creator? So if you see a sorting option, well, just try it out.